Okay, now once I am in my WhatsApp group, I open the group and then look for the messages that invite me to a session. Okay, the message is down there, the message is down here. So I will be required to touch this invitation link. I'll be required to touch the invitation link. Once I touch the invitation link, I'm given a message that I'm supposed to be using helpschools.net domain for the Zoom, because the meeting is for internal users only. So what I have to do is I have to type in my first name as I registered in Zoom, then my last name as I registered in Zoom, together with my email address that I registered on Zoom. Together with my email address that I registered on Zoom. Take note of how you're entering your email address. Then after doing that, you can see that this character here is uppercase, yet it is supposed to be lowercase. So I correct that quickly so that I don't get any problems. So then I select register. Now, the moment you get that message, meeting registration approved, that means you have registered to attend that meeting. Since the meeting will be starting at 4 p.m., when the time 4 p.m., when the time for the meeting 4 p.m. really comes, just come back and do the same thing. Touch the meeting link, type in your username, type in your password, type in your username, both the first name and last name, type in your email, select register. But this time it might not be saying register, it might be saying join a meeting. So select join a meeting and you will successfully enter the meeting. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening to me. I hope these two videos will help you to join. I hope these videos will help you to 1. Register for Zoom, and 2. Successfully join meetings whenever we send you those meeting links. Have a good day and may God bless you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Charlie's ICT channel, where all these videos are stored. I could quickly take you there. So, Charlie's ICT channel. So you touch that channel, and then When it takes you there, you'll see all these videos on that channel. And when you're on those videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the red subscribe button. And when you click on the red subscribe button, it will allow you to access all these videos, and you go through these videos depending on the video of your interest. Okay, thank you for listening. Have a good day.